I'm not.
What is all this? Oh my God.
I'm not doing it again.
It'll happen.
I'm not.
Oh my God.
Stop.
Stop.
I'm not hicking up anymore. There are no more hiccups. Nothing for you to take.
Oh my God.
It's fine. That was the last one.
Okay, then let me just keep rolling.
Go ahead.
Honey, seriously.
I'm done. That's
just
it.
Stop. You're making me regret doing something nice for you.
I'm done.
Oh. Grow up, Nathan.
I'm fine. There's no...
Can you please...
You put something in the mood, in the food.
Oh my God.
You put something in the food. I thought, as you were coming up next to me and I finally figured out that we were renewing our vows, the first thing that popped into my mind was, this is weird. We're going to renew our vows and then have dinner with Andrew Bernard? How strange.